Hello everyone, today I will be discussing proportion. Proportion is when all parts of an object are increased or decreased by the same ratio or fraction. For example, when 12 books cost $20, how much will 24 books cost? This example shows proportional increase. The more books you buy, the higher the price is. Therefore, we could say that there is a direct proportion between the amount of books bought and the price of books. When we say that two values are directly proportional to each other, it means that their proportion has to stay the same, like in the simplified example, where the ratio of books to the price is always 1:1. Even if you remove 2 books, then 2 units of money should also be removed. An important thing to remember is that fraction is the same thing as ratio in this example. Now coming back to the first question, if 12 books cost $20, then how much will 24 books cost? To help track down the values, we will be using this table that displays the amount of books and the price in dollars accordingly. As you can see, when we have 12 books, the price will be $20. When you have 24 books, the price will be X dollars. We can write down the equation 12 divided by 20 is equals to 24 divided by X, because the ratio of 12 into 20 is the same as the fraction 12 over 20. Remember that 12 over 20 has the same ratio as 24 over X. After you solve for X, you will get the answer 40. Here's another example. In this example, for every 56 pages, there are 7 printers. Now we have to find how many printers there will be if 48 pages were printed. An important thing to know in proportions is the constant. A constant is represented by K. When dealing with direct proportion, the constant is A divided by B. In the case of the example, where 12 equals to A and 20 equals to B, the constant will be 12 divided by 20, which is 0.6. If you know the constant, it will be easy to find other values, because all you have to do is multiply the A by the constant and you will get the B. This will really help in inverse proportion, where one part of an object increases when the other decreases. Because one object increases while the other decreases, we would say that A is directly proportional to the reciprocal of B, which is 1 over B. Finding the constant will be different in inverse proportion, as the constant will be equal to A multiplied by B. Therefore, if you want to find B, you will divide the constant by A. Now here is an example of how inverse proportion is used. If 15 people take 5 hours to complete a work, how long will 25 people take to complete the work? The general idea is that when more people are working, the less time it will take to complete the work. Therefore, there is an inverse proportion between the amount of people working and the time taken. The constant here will be the amount of people multiplied by the amount of time they take. Then, to find the amount of time 25 people would take, you would simply divide 75 by 25. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial really helped.